तो हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट पढ़ा। अब हम ये एन एलियन हैंड का सेकंड पार्ट ब्रिंगिंग अप कारी का सेकंड पार्ट पढ़ेंगे यहाँ से क्लास 7th का। Kari becomes fond of ripe bananas. He believes in self-help much to the discomfort of his friend. With quiet dignity, Kari accepts the chiding he knows he deserves. Kari was like a baby. He had to be trained to be good. And if you did not tell him when he was naughty, he was up to more mischief than ever. For instance, one day somebody gave him some bananas to eat. Very soon he developed a great love for ripe bananas. We used to keep large plates of fruit on a table near a window in the dining room. One day all the bananas on that table disappeared, and my family blamed the servants for eating all the fruit in the house. A few days later, the fruit disappeared again. This time, the blame was put on me, and I knew I had not done it. It made me very angry with my parents and the servants, for I was sure they had taken all the fruit. The next time the fruit disappeared, I found a banana all smashed up in Kari's pavilion. This surprised me very much, for I had never seen fruit there, and as you know, he had always lived on twigs. Next day, while I was sitting in the dining room, wondering whether I should take some fruit from the table without my parents' permission, a long black thing, very much like a snake, suddenly came through the window and disappeared with all the bananas. I was very much frightened because I had never seen snakes eat bananas, and I thought it must be a terrible snake that would sneak in and take fruit. I crept out of the room and with great fear in my heart ran out of the house, feeling sure that the snake would come back into the house, eat all the fruit, and kill all of us. As I went out, I saw Kari's back disappearing in the direction of the pavilion, and I was so frightened that I wanted his company to cheer me up. I ran after him into the pavilion, and I found him there eating bananas. I stood still in astonishment. The bananas were lying strewn all around him. He stretched out his trunk and reached for one far away from where he was standing. That instant, the trunk looked like a black snake, and I realized that Kari was the thief. I went to him, pulled him out by the ear, and joyously showed my parents that it was Kari and not I that had eaten all the fruit these many weeks. Then I scolded him, for elephants understand words as well as children. And I said to him, next time I see you stealing fruit, you will be whipped. He knew that we were all angry with him, even the servants. His pride was so injured that he never stole another thing from the dining room, and from there then on, if anybody gave him any fruit, he always squealed as if to thank them. An elephant is willing to be punished for having done wrong, but if you punish him without any reason, he will remember it and pay you back in your own coin. Kari is a fast learner. He masters all signals and sounds he is taught. There is one lesson, though, that an elephant takes 5 years to learn. Kari is no exception. An elephant must be taught when to sit down, when to walk, when to go fast, and when to go slow. You teach him these things as you teach a child. If you say dhat and pull him by the ear, he will gradually learn to sit down. Similarly, if you say Mali and pull his trunk forward, he will gradually learn that it is the signal to walk. Kari learned Mali after 3 lessons, but it took him 3 weeks to learn that. He was no good at sitting down. And do you know why an elephant should be taught to sit down? Because he grows taller and taller than you who take care of him, so that when he is 2 or 3 years old, you can only reach his back with a ladder. It is therefore better to teach him to sit down by saying that, so that you can climb upon his back, for who would want to carry a ladder around all the time? The most difficult thing to teach an elephant is the master call. He generally takes 5 years to learn it properly. The master call is a strange hissing, howling sound, as if a snake and a tiger were fighting each other. And you have to make that kind of noise in his ear. And do you know what you expect an elephant to do when you give him the master call? If you are lost in the jungle and there is no way out and everything is black except the stars above, you dare not stay very long anywhere. The only thing to do then is to give the master call, and at once the elephant pulls down the tree in front of him with his trunk. This frightens all the animals away. As the tree comes crashing down, monkeys wake from their sleep and run from branch to branch. You can see them in the moonlight, and you can almost see the stacks running in all directions below. You can hear the growl of the tiger in the distance. Even he is frightened. Then the elephant pulls down the next tree and the next and the next. Soon you will find that he has made a road right through the jungle straight to your house. तो ये राइटर हैं धन गोपाल मुखर्जी फ्रॉम कारी द एलिफेंट. अब हम इसके वर्ड मीनिंग जानेंगे. ये वर्ड मीनिंग है, आप इसको नोट डाउन करिएगा. ब्रिंगिंग अप पालन पोषण, कीपर रखवाला, ट्विक्सटेनिया पेवेलियन खेमा, थैज्ड छप्पर फूस, स्टम्प्स तनो, बम्ड टकराए, नेवरदलेस तथापि तो भी. पाउंड्स वजन की इकाई, करेंट धारा प्रवाह, स्क्विल किलकारी चिंगाड़, पॉन्ड्रस भारी, लशेस अत्यंत स्वादिष्ट, डार्टेड झपटा, हैशेट कुल्हाड़ी, इंस्पाइट यद्यपि, म्यूटिलेटेड टेढ़ी मेढ़ी कटी हुई, स्वैलो निगलना, कैथेड्रल गिरजाघर, चिडिंग डांट फटकार, स्ट्रगलिंग संघर्ष करते, लासो पशुओं को पकड़ने का फंदा, सरफेस सतह, डिस्कम्फर्ट परेशानी, शोर तट किनारा, फॉन्ड ऑफ शौकीन, अफ्लोट उतराना तैरना, डिग्निटी गरिमा आदर, ड्रिफ्ट मंद धारा, डिजर्व्स हकदार, मिसचीफ शैतानी ग्रेजुअली धीरे धीरे, इंस्टेंस उदाहरण देयरफॉर इसलिए, डेवलप्ड बढ़ गई थी हिसिंग फुफकारना, स्मैश्ड कुचले हुए क्रैशिंग धमाके के साथ, क्रैप्ट सरकना खिसकना, स्टैक्स बारहसिंघे, एस्टोनिशमेंट आश्चर्य ग्राउल गुर्राहट, स्ट्र्यून बिखरे छितरे, फ्राइटेंड डरा हुआ, इंस्टेंट क्षण, स्ट्रेट सीधे, स्कॉल्डेड फटकारा, इनक्लोजर घेरा, व्हिप्ड चाबुक, इलस्ट्रेशन व्याख्या उदाहरण, एक्सेप्शन अपवाद, एक्सेप्ट अलावा, अतिरिक्त।